In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a card in Trello. First, open Trello and sign into your account. Once you're in, go to the board that contains the card you want to remove. This is important because card deletion in Trello happens from inside the correct board, and you'll need to access the card before you can permanently get rid of it. When you're on the board, find the card you want to delete and click on it to open the full card view. From here, look for the three-dot menu on the card. Click that menu and then choose Archive. In Trello, cards usually need to be archived before they can be permanently deleted, so this step is required and not something you can skip. After the card has been archived, close the card view if needed, and look toward the top right area of the board. You'll see another three-dot menu for the board itself. Click that to open the board menu. From there, scroll down until you find Archived Items. This section stores cards that have been archived from the board, and it's where you go when you want to delete one for good. Open Archived Items, then locate the card you just archived. Next to that card, click Delete. Trello will ask you to confirm, since deleting a card permanently removes it from the board. Click Delete again to confirm the action. At this point, the card is permanently removed from the board. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip here: make sure you really want to delete the card before confirming. Archiving is reversible, but once you permanently delete the card, its content, comments, attachments, and activity can be much harder to recover. If you're unsure, leaving it archived for a while can be a safer option. Also, if you don't immediately see the Archived Items section, just take a moment to scroll carefully through the board menu. Depending on your screen size or layout, it may be a little farther down than expected. The key thing to remember is that permanent deletion happens from the Archive section, not directly from the card before it's archived. So that's the full process. Sign into Trello, open your board, open the card, archive it, go to the board menu, open Archived Items, and delete the card with confirmation. Once that's done, the card is gone permanently from the board. Thanks for watching, and that's how to delete a card in Trello.